We was waiting for you, but we was in a queue, man. You know how it is.
Dari. It didn't cost you a thing. Cost you a thing.
Cole, just warning you, right? Don't expect any like positivity for Dari. Just accept it now.
It's motherfucking. It's scarce if you'll get the positivity. It really
Cool.
is.
Very scarce.
I have a very important question for Cole.
Yeah.
I'm Ricardo, so don't ask him anything stupid.
How good can it work?
Huh?
How does bloat work?
How good can it work?
He doesn't even know what that is.
Doesn't know what twerking is.
Dude, y'all do not know how innocent poor Cole is.
Oh, I do know what that is. I wish I didn't.
Oh right, you somebody
Poor me. I wish I didn't.
Yeah, I.
Right,
So
Batman.
basically, we still just dance, so you can need to like throw back some ass if you want to get some high scores from that.
Yeah, just make sure you know that here.
Yeah, well, luckily I'm not doing that. That would be kind of inconvenient if I picked up someone in and then went back to the US.
Well, there
That's
goes my
inconvenient
video.
for everyone.
You hear this hard talking? This man brave, man. I like it.
It's not the video.
Cole,
You just have to
I record these matches. Do not dox me, man.
Yeah,
Wait,
dogs you. It's a better part teleporter. I know where it's leads, so you just watch out.
she's trying to feed turrets.
I'm lurking, and I'm stalking.
You hate Windows 11. This is annoying.
Lucille is right in the back room.
You both sneak catch it out, though. I can tell you no.
Got a bitch ass.
Okay, back to your point. Wait, no.
That's why I thought here. So if a fresh
Bolt
shift,
the
we get it
dead.
instantly. But I
Wait,
think
somebody was
like,
healing me just now. Jasmine, I need healing.
y'all are way too far up.
Jasmine? Healing?
Yes, but-
Healing? Thank you, lads.
Good chat, sort out somebody, no!
I don't know how fast you take the thing Reaper's ult charges, but
Well, I know ults is charged fast and better at doing with the characters, so...
For your last shot.
I think I can do that thing that I do like last time, you know. Watch it. Give me Jasmine, give me quick.
Where are you at?
Right here. I need some healing.
Oh, no, Chris got you.
I'm about to do something wicked.
What the hell happening right now?
I don't even know, it's like they're even trying.
They might be pushing you farther now.
We just...
Your little pussy belongs to me. You're gonna learn to do what I fucking tell you to.
try and get ults each.
Now who fought ult first? Them or are we?
Alright, I clear out most of them. Let's go. There we go, another one dead.
I am somehow going at 3
Like-
megabytes per second. Chance,
I
don't
saw-
even
I
say a
saw
thing
a few.
about internet being slow. Wireless.
I wasn't at.
I know. This is an actual game or not?
I don't
It's a
know.
bot game. This gotta be a bot game.
PvE.
Yeah, it's that. It feels so off for some reason. That said, if y'all all at top there, it got all of a sudden balance up. So
Chance, back up.
Oh, and I fell down. Oh, Jasmine, it was nice knowing you. Oh, I do it. I know he was. That felt racially motivated.
Don't worry, guys. The world is about to improve significantly.
Is it really?
can't hear you through there. Here. Oh wait, rematch is random. Never mind. Can't hear your period. Jasmine, the turret, Jasmine. My gosh.
I thought I was grabbing it, but I forgot about the stupid force field. It doesn't grab that shit.
You symmetric. Hey, Chris, turn around. I'm coming to me. No. La 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 la. Our whole team is dead.
No, it's not. No, literally 3 of y'all.
Josh, pull back. Oh, my soul.
I killed McCree. I got Bob. Bob is
Alright,
out.
On point.
Bob is dead.
Oh, great. I'm about to dead. Hey, I'm about to dead.
Lucio's one shot.
Get turret, get turret.
Get that turret.
Ah,
Where is
shite.
it?
I was so tempted to res our match in bucket enemy lane.
You can always count on you,
Lazy
Bob.
Titan, is that one in 9?
I love you, Bob. He's really my boy, you know.
Like a res
This
ball.
dude loves Bob way more than he loves us, then. That's so depressing.
Make it with him then.
But is it truth though?
If you like Bob so much, kiss him on the lips.
I would.
Oh my
God.
If I could, I would, boy. Bob is my boy.
Oh great, now BattleNet also needs an update.
Lucio dead.
L after L.
True one shot.
These guys
Gotcha.
are in a train.
And my graphics card? You gotta be kidding me.
What is my went Widow? He ain't landing shots normally and he went Widow.
Dance, get back here.
I'm trained.
That sounded like a threat.
Honestly, I feel like that like actually capture the point first. That's how sad. That's how much pity I got for these men right now.
Hey, there's
Yeah,
a bot
no,
game.
it is a rough. This is a rough game. Like, damn.
I would like actually
But then-
ask them.
Let me check and see if they're coming through the back room. Do a lot so. And this going through the middle and non-stop.
I didn't know that I got back room.
I see McCree went there once and that was about it.
Ooh, that would have made almost take off my head.
Rematcher brought up. Oh, rematcher do something good, man. Shocking. Says I gotta shoot the turret. And that's game. They can't get on the point. Oh, that's a wrap. Hey, yo, 0 dash. Just saying 0 dash.
Well, here's how I do things. If you can't win, be as
Motherfucker,
petty
you're
as
all the way in
possible.
the bag. You better have 0 deaths.
Got most damage though.
That was an awkward game.
Oh, and the back I'm popping off.
No, you didn't. Lazy Titan got the most deaths. No, got the most damage.
Alright, second
But that was
most.
cute. You almost thought you had it.
Fam,
What is Kiriko
I don't
doing?
think that's my big dog. Like I was like shocked.
It's the measure walking in the straight line. I tell you, there's a bot game.
I used to watch players.
They got. It will have to be, boy.
Wait. Is this
Alright,
a bad thing? Because
so,
like they've only started to get bot games when like a game started to die and like they've got bots to like fill up maps. I mean servers like.
They ain't actual bots. They're just playing like bots.
Wait,
No
Cole, were
shit,
you
dog.
ready
I was trying to say a
join
joke.
now?
Boy, cool. I'm sorry,
You
boy.
ready
We in
to
the
join
queue. Nah, we in the queue. We
Hey nerd, subscribe. Like now. Do it.